Hello guys, today I am going to tell you the what is the difference between the Lagrangian and Eulerian description of fluid motion. These two, the Lagrangian and Eulerian description are used to describe the fluid motion. Fluid motion. Let's talk about this. So first of all, Lagrangian description. Lagrangian description of fluid motion. In the Lagrangian description of fluid motion, require us to track the position and velocity of each individual partial which we refer to as a line position particle and taken to partial of fixed identity taken to take to be take to be partial of fixed identity in the Lagrangian description of fluid motion. In case of Eulerian description, in the Eulerian description of fluid flow, a finite volume called a flow domain or control volume is defined through which fluid flow in and out. Instead of tracking individual fluid particles, we defined field variable function of space, that is function of space and time within the control volume. The field variable at the particular location at a particular time is the value of the variable for which ever fluid particles happens to occupy that location at that time. So this is the difference between the Lagrangian and Eulerian description of fluid motion. According to the Lagrangian, the each individual we have to track each individual fluid particles, whereas in this Eulerian description we don't need to track each particles, each each particles. Eulerian description we don't rely care about what happens to individual fluid particles. Rather, we concern with the pressure, velocity, and acceleration, etc., of whichever fluid particles happens to be at that location of interest at the time of interest. So now the difference between these two description is made clearer by imagine. We can make the difference between this description. We can make our doubt clearer by imagining a person. Let us assume a person is standing beside a river measuring its properties. Okay, we are measuring some of the properties, the fluid flowing in a river. So we are measuring some of the properties of that water, of the river water in a Lagrangian. In the Lagrangian approach, what you will do, that person throws in a probe that moves downstream with the water. In the downstream with the water, in the probe will moves with the water continuously, and it measures the what are the properties in the river. So but in the Eulerian approach, he anchors the probe at a fixed location in the water. In an Eulerian description, what that person will do, he will just, I'll show you in figure. So guys, let me clear you. So now you have two. One is Lagrangian approach. Lagrangian 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 description of fluid motion. In the Lagrangian description of fluid motion, if a person want to measure the properties on the flowing water in the river, then he have to throw a probe which measures the probe. Let me, this is probe, P-R-O-B-E, probe that moves with this water and it measures the properties. In Lagrangian approach, this is in the case of Lagrangian approach. In the Eulerian approach, what you will do, you will fix this probe here and it will measure the properties of this river. This is the difference between the Lagrangian and Eulerian approach, guys. So in next video I will make a next video on it. If you like my video, please do subscribe. Thank you all.